Hello everyone and welcome to the Leah Renee Encounters channel. Today we have a very special show in store for you. And first I want to wish everyone a happy winter solstice. Today is Saturday, December 21st, and it is the shortest day of the year, and after this it's all downhill. The days are going to get longer, which I really enjoy. I can get back to my yard work and have some outdoor time after work during the week, which I truly miss. So today we're going to the Unurban Cafe to join our friends of the LA Skywatch organization. We're gonna get together there and have our annual holiday party at the Unurban. They're at 3301 Pico Boulevard in Santa Monica, and today is our holiday celebration. And it is going to feature Robert Babish, who is a notable and very well-educated chemtrail geoengineering expert. He's going to be speaking there, and then after that we're going to have a little bite to eat at the Unurban Cafe, and then afterwards we'll tell you guys everything what we've learned from this get-together. And for anyone who lives in the Los Angeles area, I strongly encourage you to join LA Skywatch. You can Google them. They have a website. Join their organization. It's completely free. And they have monthly meetings and get-togethers, and they have special guest speakers so we can educate ourselves as to what's going on behind the scenes, because I'm still trying to figure this out. So I will be leaving here at 12, get down to Santa Monica around 1, and then afterwards we'll let you know what we've learned. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel so we can be able to put more videos up and get more information going about the chemtrails and what's going on. So we've got to get the numbers up, because if you've heard, YouTube is changing some of their policies. If you don't have enough subscribers or views, then your channel's going to be gone. I think they give you about a year to get up to 1,000 subs, but we really want to keep this format going and learn more and get that information back out to the audience. Okay, and as we leave, I just came outside and noticed massive chemtrail action on Saturday, December 21st. Look at that. Everything in the sky is completely fake. Look at the sundog around the sun. This is crazy. Insanity. Talk about Frankenstein skies. I'm just blown away. I don't know if you could see the strange gray layers. So just real creepy. So we are leaving now. We're almost at the Unurban Cafe to join LA Skywatch and learn. Hi, this is Leah with the Leah Renee Encounters channel, and we have made it here to the Unurban Cafe, Santa Monica, the corner of Pico and Urban. Right behind us, it's full organic food, coffee, tea, everything that you'd want organically. And we're gonna go inside and listen to the LA Skywatch talk and learn about the chemtrails, the geoengineering, and Robert Babish. We just can't wait to hear him speak. Okay, and now we are leaving the Unurban Cafe. We had a wonderful meeting with LA Skywatch, wonderful food, and we will tell you all about what we learned. Hi, Leah here of the Leah Renee Encounters channel, and today I'm getting back to everyone as to what we learned at the LA Skywatch meeting on Saturday, December 21st at the Unurban Cafe. And one of the key things we took away from the meeting is what exactly are chemtrails composed of. And I learned about 3 key ingredients, and they're all pretty scary ingredients. So I'm just going to read from my notes here that I took during the meeting. The 3 main components are aluminum fluoride trihydrate, carbon black, and urea. So I'm going to go through each of these things. Okay, so first on the list is aluminum fluoride, and this is basically used in the chemical industry for their applications. It's also interesting to discuss the safety issues for this chemical compound. Most of the authorities state that the aluminum fluoride does not contain the possible health hazard if it's ingested in moderate amounts. This is due to its low solubility properties. However, aluminum fluoride may bring the risk if it is inhaled. In modest amounts, it can possibly cause the skin and eye irritation problems from the moderate level up to a serious level where we can really feel the side effects of this aluminum fluoride. It can also lead to nose, throat, and lung irritations, including nosebleeds, tightness of the chest, and symptoms similar to that of asthma. Long exposure of this compound will impact the bones, and people have been known to suffer weakness and joint stiffness. So that's one of the three components that we know about in chemtrails. The second one is carbon black, which I hadn't heard about until I went to this last meeting. Its subtypes are acetylene black, channel black, furnace black, lamp black, and thermal black. It's a material produced by the incomplete combustion of heavy petroleum products such as FCC tar, coal tar, or ethylene cracking tar. Carbon black is a form of paracrystalline carbon that has a high surface to area volume ratio. Albeit lower than that of activated carbon, it is dissimilar to soot in its much higher surface to area volume ratio and significantly lower, negligible, and non-bioavailable polycystic aromatic hydrocarbon, PAH, content. However, carbon black is widely used as a model compound for diesel soot for diesel oxidization experiments, and carbon black is mainly used as a reinforcing filler in tires and other rubber products. It's also used in plastics, paints, inks, and in color pigment. Now, what Robert Babish went into when he discussed this compound, he says if you look at a chemtrail, sometimes you'll see that black area or black lines, and he's saying that is this carbon black soot material that has been infused into these chemtrails to create that black line effect. So how freaky is that we have ground up tires, soot up in the air along with the aluminum? And then the last component that we discussed is urea, and it's been used as a cloud seeding agent along with other salts. It's a nutrient used by plankton in ocean nourishment experiments for geoengineering purposes. Urea can be irritating to the skin, eyes, and the respiratory tract. Repeated or prolonged contact with urea in fertilizer on the skin may cause a dermatitis. High concentrations in the blood can be damaging. Ingestion of low concentrations of urea, such as that found in typical human urine, are not dangerous, with additional water ingestion within a reasonable time frame. Many animals, i.e. dogs, have a much more concentrated urine, and it contains a high level of urea, much more than a human being. So that's why if the dog goes on the lawn, you get those yellow patches burning your grass. This can prove dangerous as a source of liquids for consumption in a life-threatening situation, such as in a desert. Urea can cause algal blooms to produce toxins, and in its presence in the runoff from fertilized land may play a role in increase of toxic blooms. The substance decomposes on heating above the melting point, producing toxic gases, and reacts violently with strong oxidants, nitrates, inorganic chlorides, and perchlorites, causing fire and explosion. So we really see with these three main ingredients, if you really think about it and analyze it, the toxicity, how many people have experienced coughing, eye irritation, skin irritation, fatigue, problems with our joints. It's no wonder we feel the way we do. It's no wonder there's something called the chemtrail flu. So these were the three big takeaways from the meeting. Exactly is the composition of the chemtrails. This is done from the soil samples that researchers have taken that are researching the chemtrail phenomenon. So, hope you found this interesting, and maybe we can do some more research as to how we can counterbalance these chemicals in our system. So, thank you for watching.